Take a moment and find a comfortable position, allowing your body to settle in the space beneath you. Allow your breath to begin to slow and gently close your eyes, turning your awareness inward. This meditation will guide you in releasing habits that no longer serve you and planting the seeds of new, empowering habits. By engaging your mind, body, and spirit, you can create lasting change with intention and ease. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs at this time. Expand your awareness and exhale gently, releasing any resistance or tension. With each inhale, imagine drawing in clarity, renewal, and possibilities. With each exhale, let go of old patterns and limiting beliefs. Allow your breath to guide you into a state of openness and readiness for transformation. So a deep breath in now, and exhaling slowly. Another deep breath in and releasing at this time. Now I'd like you to bring your mind to a habit, pattern, or behavior that no longer aligns with who you want to become. Perhaps it's a habit of self-doubt, procrastination, unhealthy choices, or maybe negative self-talk. Without judgment, simply observe this habit. How does it make you feel? What has it taken from you? I want you to use your imagination now and imagine placing that habit into a leaf. Place that leaf into a gentle stream and watch it flow away, moving further and further away with each breath that you take. Silently affirm, I release what no longer serves me. I am free to create new, healthier patterns. Now shift your focus to a habit you wish to cultivate. What new behavior, mindset, or routine would support your growth? Visualize yourself already living this habit. What does it feel like? What does it bring into your life? See yourself confidently stepping into this version of you. Strong, capable, and committed. Now silently affirm to yourself, I welcome new habits that align with my highest self. I am capable of lasting change. Each small step I take builds a stronger, healthier future. Feel as the energy of those affirmations flow through your body, shifting your cells. Change happens through consistent, intentional actions. With each inhale, breathe in the commitment to your new habit. With each exhale, release any fear or doubt about your ability to change. Trust that every moment is an opportunity to choose differently. to align with the habits that serve you. Silently affirm, I am patient and kind to myself as I grow. My actions today create my future self. I trust in my ability to change and evolve. Now take a deep, grounding breath and slowly exhale. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes and carry this intention with you throughout your day. Remember, change is not about perfection, but about progress. And each moment is a new choice, and you are already on your way.